Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister T.K. Shivkumar is again caught up in the disproportionate assets case. This time, the Central Bureau of Investigation has approached the Karnataka High Court against the Congress-led state government's decision to take away the disappropriate assets case against Shivkumar from the CBI. While talking to the reporters, the Deputy Chief Minister was emotional regarding the case. He accused the CBI of intentionally harassing him and being politically motivated. He even said that he knows who is behind this. Additionally, Shivkumar accused the CBI of not taking any action against cases on BJP leaders. The Deputy Chief Minister also said that he will continue to fight for justice. In November 2023, the Karnataka cabinet took steps to revoke approval for a CBI inquiry into the case involving Shivkumar, citing the decision as unlawful. Shivkumar clarified that the state government had referred the matter to Lokayukta without any request or insistence on his part. The cabinet declared the earlier consent given by the BJP government for a CBI investigation into Shivkumar's case as legally flawed and opted to withdraw the approval. Opposition parties in the state, the BJP and the JDS, vehemently opposed the move, accusing the government of acting against the law and making an unethical decision to shield Shivkumar. T.K. Shivkumar, facing charges in a money laundering case, had spent 51 days in Tihar jail in 2019.
See, I know that intentionally they want to harass me. It is a separate asset case with that. There is not even a single case without a court order. Government given to a CBI. So the government has taken a stand. It was been politically motivated, and they have referred the matter to the Lokayukta, according to my information. Now CBI has moved into the court. That is what I got my call from my advocates. After even withdrawing also, they have issued notice to all my friends, relatives, family members, who have been associated with me in the last 25, 30, 40 years. Including I had a Chitramandira theatre in 84 or something. Even for them also they have issued a notice. I don't know what is the intention. It merely shows it is politically motivated. But they should not forget that there are so many cases. Even BJP MLAs, so many cases are there. For them, there is no action. Whatever raids had happened, whatever this had happened, nothing has been done. Only they are just trying to target the opposition party leaders.
So, are you somewhere worried after these kind of constant notices to you again and again?
I am telling you, one has to born, has to die something. No one can say. There is a law of nature. There is a law of nature. There is a limitation for harassment. I know that nothing wrong I have done. Mr. Ahmad Patel, at the time of Ahmad Patel, this happened. Income tax cases are going on. Benami asset cases are going on. ED has already done. Whatever recently also you could see in one of a case in Karnataka, when an MLA money was being caught and his sons, there is a judgment come on a corruption case. The judgment has come, how can you prove it? It is with the son, not with the father. Like that, I don't want to go to the details of the case. And all such things are here. Once you join to a BJP or are associated with BJP, everyone has been cleaned and Washington, they go to a Washington.
So 2 months to go for parliamentary elections.
I know who is all behind this. I don't want to tell, but the clock will run.
But when the elections are approaching,
BJP is worried, sir. That is why 2 months to go.
I don't know what they want you to do. I am ready. I've seen everything in my life. After putting me behind bars, you know what happened? What the state had, who all supported, all the people came on the streets. Let it happen, no problem. I will fight for justice. I know injustice will not be proved instead of justice.